Alright, so I do a little modification on the coolant hose or the lower hose. So I pretty much just cut out where the crack on the hose would be. So what I did, just use a razor blade. Yep, just get the job done. So just kind of slice it all the way through, nice and even. So it's actually flush when it's connect to the knuckle on the hose, on the coolant hose there, and yeah, and just secure it with the bracket on that. I got the bracket taken off here, but this little bracket would just go right, slip right over that hose here, and that should get this to fix. For now, I don't see any other leak or anything like that around here. I check on the other end as well. Looks like it's in good shape for now. So yeah, we can go ahead and reuse the same hose without replacing a new one. I know it's kind of hard to actually find this hose online too. I think you have to pretty much just order the whole kits set and then just replace the entire coolant hose. That's kind of my future plan for now. We'll get this engines back on the road and then we'll go from there. Alright, just want to point out a quick fix on that coolant hose without replacing it. So you guys have any question or comment, feel free to let me know. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.